system. Before starting subject, I am going to discuss about syllabus of communication system for GATE and which topic is more important and carry more marks for GATE. For GATE communication system having syllabus, the first topic is types of communication. Communication can be have two types: analog communication and digital communication. So first topic is analog communication. In analog communication, we have to study about concept of modulation. What is modulation? What is need of modulation? And what is basic idea of modulation? After that, we have to study in this chapter AM amplitude modulation, DSB-SC double sideband suppressed carrier modulation scheme, SSB-SC single sideband suppressed carrier, VSB Westian sideband suppressed carrier, and FDM, it is frequency division multiplexing. This is types of multiplexing, and multiplexing can be two types: time division multiplexing and frequency division multiplexing. And FDM we have studied in analog communication, and TDM, that is time division multiplexing, we have studied in digital communication. So this is the first chapter of communication, and the second chapter is receiver. Receiver can be two types: TRF, tuned radio frequency receiver, and SHD, super heterodyne receiver. And we have to study TRF and SHD for AM, DSB, SSB, and VSB. And this is the types of amplitude modulation comes under analog communication, and second types of modulation, that is angle modulation. Angle modulation can be two types: frequency modulation and phase modulation. Now, after the receiver, we have to study digital communication. In digital communication, we have to first study about sampling theorem. Sampling theorem used to convert continuous time, that is analog signal, into discrete signal. So first we have to study sampling theorem. After that, PCM, pulse code modulation, DPCM, differential pulse code modulation, DM, delta modulation, ADM, adaptive delta modulation, and TDM, that is time division multiplexing. Multiplexing can be two types: FDM and TDM, frequency division and time division. We have studied in analog communication, that is FDM, and in digital communication we have studied TDM. Now after that, we have to study ASK, PSK, and FSK, amplitude shift keying, phase shift keying, and frequency shift keying. And this ASK, PSK, FSK is known as two-array signaling. As these contain only two bits, either 0 or 1. So this is known as binary or two-array signaling scheme. Now, after that, you have to study M-array signaling scheme, which contain greater than 1 bit in a single sample, and called M-array signaling scheme. In M-array, we have to study, that is 4-array signaling, 16-array signaling, 32-array signaling, etc. So this is about digital communication, and this is the third chapter of GATE. And next chapter is information theory. Information theory is very important for GATE. After that, information theory, we have to study about random process. What is random process? Under random process, we have to study autocorrelation and power spectrum density. What is the relation between autocorrelation and power spectrum density? After that, we have to study match filter for ASK, PSK, and FSK. Match filtering of ASK, amplitude shift keying, phase shift keying, and frequency shift keying. And this topic 7 and 9 is also very important topic for GATE. 7th is maximum likelihood distribution and map receiver. This is a new topic included in GATE, and very important topic these are. And after it, we have to study bit error rate and probability of array for different modulation scheme, that is ASK, PSK, and FSK. And at the 11th chapter, we have to study CDMA, TDMA, and GSMA. These are modulation scheme we have to study. So this is the syllabus of communication system for GATE, and the weightage of communication system is 10 to 12 marks in GATE. This is a very important subject for GATE. To score good rank in GATE, we have to must solve problem of this subject. And this analog communication is very simple as compared to other topic and comes for every year 2 marks. Analog communication 2 marks, receiver 1 or 2 marks, digital communication 2 marks, and information theory contain 1 or 2 marks. After that, random process is also very important for signal system subject. This topic is common for signal system and communication also, and this 1 or 2 marks. Mass filter, ASK, PSK 6th and 7th. These topic combined together comes for 2 marks. Noise, bit error rate and probability of error. P indicates probability of error for different modulation scheme. It is ASK, PSK and FSK. This is also very important topic, and what is this? 2 marks. And CDMA, not so important, but 1 mark comes from this topic. And this is the marks distribution of communication subject for GATE. You should refer these books to understand better way of this subject. That is SOM series, BP Lathi. BP Lathi is very good book for analog communication, and Simon Hacken. Simon Hacken is very good book for digital as well as analog communication. So this is the syllabus of communication system for GATE, and marks distribution for GATE and topic wise. If you get difficulties in any topic, then you can skip this topic. But whatever topic you study, do very well to you can solve any problem comes from this topic. Now, in next session, I am going to start communication syllabus and start with the basic concept of communication. Thank you.